Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi, where good food is made easy. So today we are making poha made with oats. Normally poha is made with flattened rice, which is also gluten free, but it has substantial amount of carbohydrate. Flattened rice can cause bloating to so many people. Rice and any produce made with rice is not advisable for people with diabetes. So oats work perfectly well if you're looking to boost your nutrition level and looking to lose some weight. Well, honestly, I'm not getting into the science behind oats. We all know how healthy oats are. So let's talk about how delicious, fulfilling, simple and easy it is to make this poha without much planning. We start by taking 3 cups of jumbo oats, to which we'll add half a cup of warm water and allow it to swell. Jumbo oats resemble the shape of poha and hold shape so much better, which is why we're using this type of oats. Remember to use gluten-free variety if you can. Then in a roomy pan, we take 1 tablespoon of ghee. You could always use oil, but ghee brings in a lot of flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds to the ghee and 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger and green chili, or as per taste. Some curry leaves to enhance the flavor is also added to the ghee and given a quick stir. Then we add finely chopped half a cup of onions to the mixture. 1 finely chopped potato, about half a cup, soaked in water to avoid browning. Browning the vegetables may just alter the taste. Giving a stir, and then we add salt and turmeric to the vegetables. Adding a cup of finely chopped carrots and half a cup of fresh French beans. These vegetables may seem a lot, but trust me, this will bring in a lot of flavor in the poha. Vegetables are lower in calories than grains, easier to digest, adds color, flavor to the food. In this recipe, we are steam cooking the vegetables at medium heat by adding water while cooking. Steam cooking keeps the vegetables soft and tender and does not allow it to brown. Covering the vegetables while cooking retains its flavor and makes cooking so much faster. In case you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're liking the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. With the help of a small mortar and pestle, crush 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts, which we are going to use in the poha later. Once you make this recipe, I'm sure you may not want to go back to the original ones, as these are so good. Then we add tomatoes to add a bit more color, deliciousness and more flavor. Then add a bit of sugar to balance the flavor. Adding sugar is purely optional. Then we add the soaked oat flakes. Oat flakes, when soaked, swells up and makes it easier to digest. It also clumps up together while swelling. So we need to separate the clumping by mixing the oats in the vegetables properly. The extra vegetables will release its juices, which the oat flakes will absorb and become so much more flavorful. At this point, mixing the oats with the vegetables is very important. Now we reduce the heat and add lemon juice. Lemon juice to add more flavor and a bit of acidity to make this simple, comforting poha ever so delicious. Then roasted crushed peanuts is also added to add some more crunch. Chopped coriander for the topping as well. And your simple, comforting vegetable overload poha is ready to be served. So simple and yet so satisfying. Perfect meal choice if you're looking for something for breakfast, lunch or dinner. These are so good. These can work perfectly well as a meal prep as well. These are so delicious and so fulfilling. So if you have liked the recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you.